Dear students, in this section we will see scheduling. Scheduling the project tasks is an important project planning activity. It involves deciding which tasks would be taken up when. So, in order to schedule the project activity, a software project management needs to do the following steps. First step is identify all the major activities that need to be carried out to complete the project. So the first step in scheduling is identifying all the tasks that is necessary to complete the project. So if you have good knowledge, we can plan the activity or identify the activity which is required to develop our software project. Second is break down each activity into tasks. So next, the last tasks are broken down into the logical set of smaller activities which would be assigned to the different engineers, so that we can perform our tasks parallelly and our task is completed fast. So for that purpose, the work breakdown structure, that is WBS is used for breaking down the task. After the project manager has broken down the task, we have to determine the dependency among the different tasks. So we have when the work breakdown structure is done, we have to find out the dependency among the activities. So dependency among the different activities determines the order in which the different activities are to be carried out. For example, activity A requires the result of another activity B. So then the activity A must be performed after the B. So first B is performed, then A is performed. So that is the dependency which gives the partial ordering among the tasks. And each task may precede a subset of other tasks. After that, establish the estimates for the time duration necessary to complete the task. So here represent the information in the form of activity network. So activity network is used to find out the dependency among the activities. So after the activity network representation has been worked out, resources are allocated to each activity. Okay, so after that, determine the task starting and ending days, and we have to allocate the resources. So resources are allocated by the Gantt chart, and after the resources allocation is done, the part, that is project evaluation and review technique chart representation is developed. Okay, so this work breakdown structure, then activity network, Gantt and PER chart we will see in the next section. Okay, thank you.